Hi, my name's Dee, welcome to KH Motorcycles again. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this Aprilia Tuono V4 factory 1100. I'll start at the front, go around as usual. Obviously you can see what colour it is with the black and the red. The ABS. Does have Olins and Brembos, all the things you'd expect on a bike of this sort of calibre. Does have the EvoTech rad guard through there as well. This is a 2021 bike on a 71 plate. Does have the awesome sounding Acra exhaust, which we will be firing up in a minute so you can hear that. Nice rear hugger. Little cases, everything looks really good on this. Little short tinted screen. Does have the crash buttons as well. And as with all our bikes, like I always say at this time in the video, as with all our bikes, it will be fully PDI'd to our usual high standards. Although this looks really good. A couple of things on there, that's gone. Have to sack the cleaner. Does have a lovely red seat on this one. Let's fire this bad boy up. Only 5,323 miles on the clock. Oh, what an awesome looking bike. Really does sound as good as it looks. And that's it from me. You can find us on voice chat, WhatsApp, all the social medias. Pop in, sit on the bike for yourself, come say hello.